Welcome to Kids Story House.
Hello everybody. Today we are reading The Spring Book by Todd Parr. Wake up! Spring is coming. I'm hungry. Every day the weather is different. Rainy, snowy, windy, and sunny. Trees are blooming. Everything is turning green. And change is in the air. International Women's Day. We celebrate this day in March. Spring is here. The birds are singing. Babies are being born. How cute little bunnies. And we are cleaning out our closets. Lots of toys. And planting gardens. Everyone is sneezing. Achoo! Do you know why? Because of the pollens of the new flowers. Spring is the time of year to learn new things. Okay, well then, I'm going to stop writing this book and I'm going to open my first restaurant. Taco Todd's. The end. Love, Todd. Surprise! April Fools! Don't worry, this story is not over yet. Spring is a time to dance in the rain. Celebrate traditions with family and friends. Play hide and seek. They are playing with Easter Bunny and hiding the eggs. And love the earth. Spring is a time for festivals. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Hobby's Farmer's Market. Beautiful. Having picnics. Hugging Mom on Mother's Day. And every day. And honoring heroes. Now go roll down some hills. Happy spring! Spring is a time of the year to celebrate special holidays and discover all the beautiful things on the earth. The end. Love, Todd.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to read more stories. Bye-bye.